Hi, I'm Kathleen Tarr, and I'm here to tell you about IRAC, CRECSAC, CRAC, CRAC. All of these acronyms evolved from IRAC, Issue, Rule, Application, Conclusion, a way of organizing your analysis usually taught during first-year law school. Issue, Rule, Application, Conclusion. It's succinct and to the point. Which is the point. Law and policy folk generally don't want extra. Elaborating upon what they do want means an ever-evolving set of acronyms. Seems like a lot, right? But the idea for each is the same. Issue, rule, application, conclusion. Issue. The issue can be a recommendation, a conclusion you've reached, a question, a summary. Regardless of the label, remembering to address the issue first can help you present concise, direct information to your target audience. Beginning with your conclusion still frames the issue. Conclusions as issues are especially helpful when the memo you are writing is informative, more than argumentative. Next, the rules. These are the parameters of your task. They might be laws or regulations, case holdings, legislative intent, budgets, deadlines, definitions. The rules are exactly what they sound like, whatever guides and constrains the specific issue you have highlighted. Application. Apply the rules. This is where you explain how the rules untangle the issue, thereby leading to your conclusion, a tidy summary of what you just articulated. Let's look at an example. Issue: whether the writers messed up when Han Solo famously boasted of the Millennium Falcon's speed. It's the ship that made the Kessel Run in less than 12 parsecs. I also ran a marathon in 26.2 miles. Rules. A parsec is 3.26 light years. A light year is a measure of distance, not time. Application, which I learned as argument, arose by any other name. Specifically, a light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. But because the word year is in it, people frequently think it measures time. Star Wars movies are fictions, and movie makers can make up whatever they want. But that's not what happened here. Someone thought, light year, time, and it made it into the script. And yes, I see y'all out there trying to pretend Han Solo was some sort of black holes of the maw surfing hotshot pilot. If Han's Kessel Run brag had been on purpose, it would have been explained. But there was not one black hole in A New Hope. No bending of space and time. There was nothing fast the way parsec fast would have to be. Conclusion. The writers messed up. They forgot that a light year is a measure of distance, not time, and thus that a parsec is not time that makes you sound all smart and stuff. It is still distance. And don't get me started on Han Solo saying less than 12 parsecs instead of fewer than 12 parsecs. So whether you're writing a legal memo, case brief, policy memo, white paper, or an email asking the boss for a raise, well, you may want to rethink context. IRAC doesn't work for everything. But it is a great start to communicating effectively in law and policy. IRAC. 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 IRAC.